Okay, now just let's start. I have taken these two sheets. Okay, I'm going to fold them like this and this. So I'll fold it here. Okay, first horizontally. Not going to press it much. Okay, I'm just going to press it lightly and just then half part. Okay. Sorry. This is very simple, I guess, right? Now what you have to do is you have to take your scissors and be careful, but before that we are going to okay, see, just this much part we are just going to bend it. Okay, we are just pressing it here. Okay, fair enough. Now there is this line. Okay, so this is your like kind of a demarcation line that you will not cross this line. Sorry. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take scissors and start cutting it. So this is my demarcation line and I'll start cutting. And जितना पतला पतला हो सके उतना बाजू बाजू में एकदम बाजू में काटिए. ओके, जितना पतला हो सके, जितना बाजू बाजू में काट सकते हैं उतना बाजू बाजू में काटिए. फटाफट फटाफट. ओके, नाउ टेक अप अ स्पीड बेबीज. जस्ट बी केयरफुल विथ योर हैंड. Okay, that's why I'm also doing it with very small scissor. See? So we are going to cut it, and I'll tell you what we are going to do is any guesses rather, you know what we are going to make. Chalo. If you know, no, don't type, let it be. But let's complete it fast. Yes, right. You might think that I'm making some lantern. You're not too wrong, but not too right as well. Ha. So I'm going to go ahead fast. Okay, so try to reach so much near to this line. Okay, see what happened here is I have taken till this, but I have taken this nearby. So it doesn't matter if you have mistaken, don't go back. Take it near, more near. Just don't cut that line, okay, that we require. Yes. Speed up. So I think that you have loved the lecture of biodiversity and green nature lovers, and do one thing, guys, just keep your eyes and ears open, okay, all time whenever you are out in nature, and nature will give you so many things. You will never even realize that how much nature has given you, how much nature has provided for you. And again, one thing, the first day Mrs. Panchanathan has said, Sunita ma'am have said that be grateful about everything, feel gratitude, सबको thanks बोलो. रोज रात को सोते समय मैं आज भी, okay, my mom inculcated this habit in me that मैं रोज रात को सोते वक्त I say thank you to God for this wonderful day which you gave me. हाँ, of course, ऐसे नहीं होता है कि हर टाइम बहुत ही खुशी वाले दिन होते हैं. Yes, दुख वाले दिन होते हैं, कष्ट वाले दिन होते हैं. Everything is part of life and we need to accept it as it is, right? So does this mean that we will not say thank you? सोचो हम लोग कितने privileged हैं. आज हम लोग ऑनलाइन बैठ के ये काम कर सकते हैं. कितने लोगों के पास मोबाइल का नाम भी कितने लोगों ने आज सुना ही नहीं है. सी, लोगों के पास है ही नहीं. बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं who are not privileged. So we should be thankful to God that God gave us such great mummy papas, such great parents, such great teachers, who can help us, who are helping us. So be grateful about everything, bacha logs. So this is the structure which we have formed. Okay, everybody is with me, I guess. Yes. Chalo. Just let's open this. Okay. Now there is going to be a tricky part, but I'll just open it this. Oh yes, see, oh my God, it's so lovely, but it's still tricky. Okay, so be careful about removing this too. I wanted to do a shortcut, that's why I did it. You can just do it single paper. Okay, Ha, chuck it. So now I told you about the Fevicol. What am I going to do is I'm going to paste this. Okay? Okay. So let's apply some Fevicol. Okay, okay, okay. And how am I going to keep this is I'll just show you. Okay, wait. I'll keep it very lightly, like ऐसे फुगा के ना थोड़ा सा इसके अंदर हम थोड़ी सी जैसे इसको प्रेस करेंगे, जस्ट लाइक इसके बीच में कुछ खुला खुला सा आसमां है टाइप्स, यू नो, खुला खुला सा आसमां. एवरीबडी लाइक्स इट. Okay, so now you can see there is this gap. Okay, it's not closed, this is a gap. Okay, so we are just going to press it, we're going to keep it apart. Again the same thing. Okay, we are just going to roll this a bit thoda sa so that iske beech mein jagah ho jaye. And la 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 la. Guys, I love making this all art forms, you know. I just love craft. I just love it. I even love studies, okay? I am very padhaku bachcha. Still, till today, okay? Till today, I love to study. I just keep on attending webinars. I just keep on attending. So now this, both strips are ready, okay? Ow. One sec. Okay? These two strips are ready and you can see this is there is a hollow thing. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to take a second color, or if you don't have, you can simply take any white sheet if you have. I have, fortunately I have many colors with me, so I'll just take some color. Okay, I have this. Okay, I have this color, second color. So what I'll do is I'll fold it in half like this. Okay, now this is rectangular form. Okay, this is rectangular form. Okay, now what we are going to do is I am going to take this part. Okay, this parts, I'm just going to roll it. Just simply roll it. Roll it tightly, very tightly, very tightly. Okay, you can use your refill, or if you have your old pen, okay, with you which is not having any refill, and that 2 rupees वाला पेन आता है ना जो हम लोग फेंक देते हैं बाद में, you can use it also for this purpose if you have. But I don't have, and I believe that if we are doing some art, we should do it completely artistic way. So abhi yahan pe, ow, this is not opening. Okay, opened. So here I'm going to just apply some glue. Okay, now I'm going to roll this. Now I'll have to remember again that this part, second part is also left, so I'll apply again glue out here. Always when you're applying glue, just apply it not on the sidelines or not on the exact borders, just you know, apply it inside few times. So, and roll it. Okay, the extra glue goes out, and the extra glue which you have, you can use it to, you know, glue or fasten other parts which are, you know, just erupting, you feel so. Okay, so yeah, well, this is done. This is just a dundee. Okay, now I had told you about I want sellotapes, or you can say sticking tapes with you. So I have the sticking tape. Okay, I always do one thing for remembering sticking tape. I just open it, and every time while keeping it, I just fold a small corner of it, so it is very much easy for finding it out next time. So I'll take this much, around 2 to 3 inches. I'll cut it. Again same, I'll just close a small corner. I'll keep it. Okay, now what am I going to do is I want to fold this. Okay, so what I'll do is I want this part outside, so I'll just apply a sticking tape out here. Okay, see, and this way. Now what we are going to do is, we are not going to do anything else. this part, okay, this part, or see, you can see there is like one hollow part and one sturdy part. Sturdy part goes in, okay. So where is my tape? Okay, there is lot of wind. ठीक है, इसको करेंगे हम roll. Now we are not going to do anything else, but we are just going to roll it, okay. We are rolling, and now we are rolling again. We are rolling. Just remember, we are just keeping it in the straight line, and this goes straight, okay. No नीचे, no ऊपर बच्चा लोग, okay. Only straight. नीचे ज़्यादा ऊपर जाएगा तो just adjust it, and again straight. You hold it here, so it will not move, okay, babies. So just fast roll it. Okay. 1 sec. I went off board. Okay, I'm showing you again. Okay, we have rolled it. Now we are just rolling it. Ting. Okay, again. Ting. Don't worry, इसको हम लोग कर लेंगे बाद में, ठीक है. आप कर लो, सिर्फ रोल कर लो. थोड़ा टाइट हो जाएगा, but it's fine. It's needed. Okay. Now here also we are just going to click it here, and next cellophane tape, apply it here directly. इसको एक राउंड घुमा दो, ठीक है. just fasten it. Okay, done. इसको हम अभी काटेंगे. Okay guys, this is the first part. I'll show you what to do it later. Abhi, now with the second part, what we are going to do is, we are again going to cut similar portion. Okay, we are going to fold this tape thoda sa, and we are going to keep it. Okay, now this I'll decide which is my outer part, which is my inner part. So this is my inner part, this is my outer part. Okay, so okay, no, this is okay, it doesn't matter, I love it anyways. So I'll just stick a tape here. Okay, ow, okay, I have done it wrongly. Okay, I remove the tape because I have done it this way, so I have to put it on this end. Okay, ठीक है. अभी इसको वापस से हम लेंगे और इसको हम लोग रोल करेंगे. Again roll it, but how we are going to roll it? See, okay, I'll show you. We had rolled it before ऊपर, तो यहाँ पे अभी यहाँ पे जो ये जंक्चर ख़त्म हो रहा है ना, ये जहाँ पे ख़त्म हो रहा है बच्चा लोग, वहाँ पे हम लोग इसको रखेंगे. You know, this cello tape will fall on this cello tape. समझ रहे हैं आप लोग? ठीक है. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay. Okay, सेलो टेप के ऊपर सेलो टेप चिपका दी. अब नाउ आई एम गोइंग अहेड, रोलिंग. एंड रोलिंग, एंड इसको थोड़ा सा हम ऊपर दबा देंगे, ठीक है. सो ये हम लोग ऊपर दबाने के बाद में ये सेम लेवल पे आ जाएगा. एंड fast. Okay. ओहो, ये बीच में आ गया. ठीक है, आने दो, कोई बात नहीं. इसे हम इस तरीके से चिपका लेंगे. नाउ ये हो गया आपका क्यूट सा फ्लावर. चेक आउट. You know, when you don't have anything, and your mom or dad is angry on you, you can make such flower and give it to them and say sorry note or I love you note, and see, it looks so good. See, you like it? Now let's go ahead with our lecture of evoke your speech.